Okay, now how to solve system of linear equations using calculator, or how to check whether our answers are correct or not. So now we press menu. Okay, we're not going to find matrix, we are going to find equation here. Okay, so the setting is A. So what do? We press, okay, this is the alphabet A, so we press alpha and A. Okay, so now it's either simultaneous equation or polynomial. So because, okay, we have simultaneous equations, so we have to press 1. Okay, now the calculator asks for number of unknowns. So since we have 3 unknowns here, x, y, z, so we choose 3. Okay, now you can see this matrix form. So we plug in all the elements of matrix A into the, okay, calculator. So we have 6, 2, 3, and this is for matrix B. Okay, so we plug in the value. Okay, so 3850. Then press equal. So coming to the second equation, we have 4, okay, 1, 5, and then next here element of matrix B, so we have 3200. Okay, then, okay, third row here, so we have 1, 1 and 1. Then last value for the matrix B, so we put 1000. Okay, after we have plugged in all the values, then to find the answer, we just press equal. So we can see x is 400. Then we press equal one more time. We can see y equals to 350, and we press one more equal, so we can have the final answer 250. So that is our answer for this system of linear equations.